see some gate previous year question. Okay, now your question is name and so it is asked in your gate 1991. It is asked in your gate 1991, gate 1991. Okay, so and name and optimal algorithm for sorting for sorting a sequence of n numbers which has only k distinct number okay, which has only k distinct. Now tell me, if you are having this, if now they are asking you, give an optimal algorithm for sorting in a sequence of n number. You are having a sequence of n number, okay, and which is going to contain k distinct number, which has on k distinct number. Now tell me which sorting you will use here. Think little bit. It is saying name an optimal algorithm for sorting a sequence of n numbers. So your total number they have given is n, and which has a k distinct number. So the numbers it will have is in the range of 1 to k distinct number it will have. Okay, like you will have 1 2 3 4 5, some range they have given, that only k distinct number 1 2 3 4 5, like some number they have given. Now which sorting you should use? Think little bit. See, it is saying name an optimal algorithm. You should give an optimal algorithm for sorting a sequence of n number. You are having n numbers, and range here is range is k, which has k distinct numbers. Means numbers you will have different numbers, like 1 you will have, 2 will have. That distinct number you are going to have is k type, means k distinct number, like 1 2 3, then 3 distinct number. So it will have some number. You are going to use counting sort. Because counting sort is saying that if you are having n numbers and if your range, you know the range, then you should use, you are going to use counting sort. Okay, you are going to use counting sort, which time complexity is number of element plus size of the array. Okay, that is big of n plus k.